Okay, first you want to grab your hoses, your gauges. You're gonna connect your blue hose to the suction, your red hose to your liquid line. Verify that everything is set up right. All your shredders are in and tight. Everything is contact. Keep your hoses closed. The yellow hose from the gauges, you're gonna put that on your reclaiming machine. That's gonna go on the blue side, which is in. So the yellow hose from your gauges goes to the blue side on your reclaiming machine. Verify that you have power to your reclaiming machine. Now this is the point where you need an extra set of hoses. Whatever color you choose is fine. Make sure you got your scale ready to go so you can weigh you how much you took out the system. You can accurately charge the system back that way. You know, especially if you're gonna turn in your refrigerant at the shop or whatever. But that's just about how you get set up. You know, you got electrical, you got your tank, recovery tank, you got your scale, and you got your gauges. Now from reclaim machine out to your recovery tank suction. Okay, now so at this point you're gonna open up your gauges. Then you're gonna go open up your tank. Make sure you tear your scale. Make sure all the connections are tight and on. Everything looks good. Verify. Always verify everything. Make sure everything is opened up.
That's how you set it up.